Today we'll talk about how can you create lists on your Bluesky app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on lists. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on new. So then here add list name. I'm going to add here, for example, this name here. Then here add anything you want for view, and you click on save. Then here when you click on save, then it's going to create with you here. So that's all you have to do. Like you see, I have this list now here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.